Hello guys! I'm Aaron pala from Gold Aces Car by Manila Auto Display. Welcome sa aming YouTube channel. Today guys, i-feature natin yung mga available natin 7-seater dito sa ating showroom for financing. Tara, check natin. So guys, ito yung first na Innova na i-feature natin today. So this is 2023 Toyota Innova E 2.8 liters engine displacement, diesel automatic transmission. Price pala nito for cash payment is 1,088,000 pesos. And then guys, Tuesday coding na rin tong unit. And then ito yung exterior niya. Tara, check naman natin yung interior. So yung guys, nandito tayo sa interior ni Innova. Yan, mileage pala nito is 10,000 kilometers lang, sobrang baba guys. And then yung down payment nito is nasa 178,000 all-in down payment na siya guys. Tara, check naman natin yung other car. So yun guys, if hanap nyo yung 7-seater ni Honda na medyo malaki, meron tayo dito guys, 2018 Honda CR-V diesel automatic transmission. Ending plate 8, price pala nito guys is 829,000 for cash payment. So ito yung exterior niya. And then guys, check naman natin yung interior. So yung guys, nandito tayo sa interior ni CR-V. As you can see guys, naka leather seats na rin yung mga upuan nito. Mileage pala nito is 54,000 kilometers. And then yung down payment nito is nasa 290,000 all in na rin po siya. Tara, check naman natin yung other 7-seater natin dito sa showroom. Guys, if hanap nyo naman is 7-seater na tipid sa gasolina, meron tayo ditong 2024 Mitsubishi Xpander GLX automatic transmission for only 839,000. Monday coding, and then guys, check natin yung labas niya. Then guys, check naman natin yung interior niya. So yun guys, nandito tayo sa loob na Xpander. Yan, kung makikita nyo, sobrang sariwa nitong unit. 11,000 kilometers mileage lang to. So yung down payment nito is nasa 135,000 all in na po siya. And then guys, tara, check naman natin yung other unit dito. So yun guys, if hanap nyo naman is subcompact SUV ni Toyota, meron tayo dito 2024 Toyota Veloz, 1.5 engine displacement. Cash price nito is 1 million pesos. So ito yung exterior niya. Tara guys, check naman natin yung interior. So yun guys, nandito tayo sa interior ni Veloz. So kung makikita nyo, 7,700 lang yung mileage, almost brand new. And then yung down payment nito is nasa 163,000. All in na rin siya guys. And then guys, check naman natin yung other unit. Guys, if hanap nyo naman is budget-friendly na SUV, meron tayo ditong 2010 Toyota Fortuner G gasoline automatic transmission. Wednesday coding, price pa lang nito is 500,000 pesos. So guys, ito yung exterior niya. Tara, check naman natin yung interior. So yun guys, ito yung interior ni Fortuner. Mileage pala nito is 130,000 kilometers. And then guys, all-in down payment nito is nasa 174,000. Tara guys, check naman natin yung other unit. Guys, if hanap nyo naman is Hyundai with futuristic design, meron tayo ditong 2024 Hyundai Stargazer automatic transmission. Price pala nito is 788,000. So ito yung exterior niya. Guys, check naman natin yung interior. So yun guys, nandito tayo sa interior ni Hyundai Stargazer. Mileage pala nito is 28,000. And then guys, down payment nito is 128,000 pesos. So yun guys, next car naman. Guys, if hanap nyo naman is SUV na pang long ride, yan, Manila to Mindanao, meron tayo ditong 2019 Toyota Fortuner G automatic transmission. Ending plate 1, price pala nito is 1,050,000. So ito yung exterior nga guys. Tara, check natin yung interior. So yun guys, nandito tayo sa interior ni Fortuner. As you can see, nakabilok siya guys, kaya siya naka leather seats. Mileage pala nito is 80,000. All-in down payment, 170,000 pesos. So guys, check naman natin yung other units. Guys, ipahanap nyo naman is pang negosyo or pang grab, meron tayo dito 2023 Toyota Rush GRS automatic transmission. Ending plate 3, price pala nito is 825,000 pesos. So ito yung exterior niya. Guys, check naman natin yung interior. So yung guys, nandito tayo sa interior ni Rush. Kung makikita nyo, mileage niya 16,000 lang. And then all-in down payment nito is nasa 134,000 lang. Then guys, check naman natin yung other car. Guys, if hanap nyo naman is malaking SUV, meron tayo dito 2018 Mitsubishi Montero Sports GLS automatic transmission, ending plate 6, price niya is 890,000 pesos. So guys, ito yung exterior niya. Tara guys, check naman natin interior. Yon guys, nandito tayo sa interior ni Montero. As you can see guys, sobrang sariwa pa nitong unit. Mileage pala nito is 93,000 kilometers. And then yung all-in down payment nito is nasa 230,000 pesos. So guys, next car naman, check naman natin. Yon guys, ito na yung last natin na ipapakitang 7-seater. So this is 2024 Toyota Veloz E-Variant automatic transmission. 1.5 engine displacement. Ending plate 8 guys, and then yung price ito is 890,000 pesos only. And then guys, ito yung exterior niya. Check naman natin ulit yung interior. Yung guys, nandito tayo sa interior ni Veloz. As you can see, sobrang bango pa nitong unit. Mileage ito guys is 10,000 kilometers lang, sobrang baba pa. And then yung all-in down payment nito is nasa 145,000 pesos. So yun guys, yun yung mga available unit natin dito sa showroom po natin. So yan guys, yun yung mga available nating 7-seater and SUV dito sa ating showroom. Sa mga interested po dyan ha, you can message us on our different social media platforms, Facebook account, TikTok, or YouTube po, Gold Aces Car by Manila Auto Display. Or you can message or call sa number na nakalagay sa description. Or visit us on our showroom, just look for Aaron. Yun lang po, salamat, bye-bye!